Another episode of Mike and Jason's Fun with Guns. Shooting a VCR. Jason, you go first. Okay. Jason, they didn't go through the back. None of them made it all the way through.
Let's try again.
Huh?
Let's try again.
Bigger gun.
That went through the back.
Came off.
That worked.
Yeah.
You wanna?
Yeah. First, second, third. Which one? In there or
Back one.
one close to me?
Yeah. I love it. Reload that.